So welcome to the 30-day transformation protocol. This is meant to be quick and easy so you can follow it along for 30 days or choose to follow it longer, and we'll get into that at the end. So let's get right into it. So first, let me say how excited I am by the simple fact that you've arrived at this point. This is a bridge to a new way of life. It is not an overnight quick fix, so congratulations on starting the process. Now, I would suggest if you can incorporate a 100% plant-based approach, you can do it. And if you can, skip coffee as well. Now, as far as the protocol goes, I'm going to want you to fill out the comprehensive health questionnaire that's attached to this course. So figure out kind of where you're at. You want to identify your strong and weak areas. The next thing to do is to begin the ultimate lifestyle transformation for 30 days. It's going to end up replacing about 2 meals a day for about $12 a day. And you could choose your schedule style. You can use that link above to get it or check it out in the PDF form. It's also great for intermittent fasting, so a great way to kind of get the ball rolling with that. Starting on day 11, you're going to begin using the Super Cleanse R formula, which is included for 10 days. You're then going to take 20 days off before finishing the rest in another 10-day period. Now, this is an anti-parasitic blend. So if you can start this around the time of the full moon, you may get better results since we know that parasites tend to lay eggs around that time of the month. It's also important to note that if you are pregnant or nursing at this time, skip the Super Cleanse R, but the rest of the protocol is all good. Another thing you're going to be wanting to do is following the optimal nutrition guidelines that are again attached to this course, so check that out. Now, beyond the 30 days, you have a few choices. You can continue with another ultimate lifestyle transformation if you feel like you need to go deeper, or you can start paring down to the core 4, which you can do for another 30 days. I would also continue to adhere to the optimal nutrition guidelines and try to follow those as best as possible. Now, what you should expect. Now, I prefer addition by subtraction and not making things super complicated. Now, with the ultimate lifestyle transformation, it's going to flood your body with nutrient-rich superfoods without requiring harsh restrictions on your normal diet. Although, like I said, I strongly encourage changing your nutritional habits as we go, and check out the optimal nutrition guidelines for more on that. But by meeting your nutritional needs with high-quality foods, cravings, and habits that stem from undernourishment will begin to naturally lessen. Soon, taste buds will begin to shift, and stress-eating comfort foods are not so comforting anymore. You will begin to feel different and to desire those foods much less frequently. So what to expect? Now, I'd like to say there's a 90-day in-depth version of this that's part of my membership, and if you'd like to check that out, you actually dive into each of the different areas that might be a little weaker or sluggish, and we could address those there. So it's really important if you want to dive deeper or get more into the specifics, especially as it pertains to the comprehensive health questionnaire. That's the place to go. But within a month, you're going to start noticing that you're alkalizing your body. You're going to begin to build muscle. You'll get better sleep. Your cravings will be curbed. You'll have increased energy, improved toxin elimination, improved detox pathways. Start to burn fat, enhance mental clarity, reduce bloating, and starting to create healthy habits. So assuming you're continuing on during month 2, you might notice you'll have better skin elasticity. You're going to begin making fewer unhealthy choices. You're going to start clearing out this toxic glyphosate and herbicides and pesticides. You're going to improve your elimination pathways, start looking better in your clothes, have a brighter skin complexion. You're going to notice you're going to start craving healthier foods. You're going to start noticing you're going to have a healthier response for inflammation. You're going to reduce body odors, and you're going to start feeling more confident in your body. And month 3, if you want to keep going, you're going to realize that you're forming new healthy habits that you can continue long term. You're going to feel cleaner, leaner, and stronger. You're going to experience healthier blood glucose levels. You're going to start repairing your gut microbiome. You're going to start breaking these unhealthy habits that you may have had for months and years. You're going to enjoy a life at a higher level, explore healthier food options, look, feel, and perform better. You might meet and exceed your weight management goals. You're going to notice food sensitivity started to decrease. You're also going to notice that you're setting a positive example for people around you, and other people are going to take notice. Now, again, if you get access to the Healing Inside and Out library and membership, there's going to be more protocols, tips, and health plans. So you can click here if you want to join that too. Now, as far as it goes with herbal formulas in kids, now this may take some trial and error because people respond differently to different herbs and blends, but be patient and keep trying. Now, as a general rule, I start with the lowest dose and work your way up to the top end. This is both for children and adults. So when using herbs, supplements, or even pharmaceuticals, it's important to give an age or weight appropriate dose. So I prefer to use weight as opposed to age because children of the same age can be significantly different weights. So I use Clark's rule, and Clark's rule is you basically take the weight of your child in pounds, you divide it by 150 pounds, and you multiply that by the adult dose. So for example, if you have a child who's 50 pounds, you divide that by 150, you're going to get a third. So a third, say, times 12 milligrams of something, you're going to get 4 milligrams, and that becomes your pediatric dose for a 50-pound child. So hope that makes sense. If you want to give that a shot with them, let me know. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. So have fun out there, and I will see you in the next video.